What is going on, guys? Howard and Como. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna be looking at "Summertime of Our Lives" by Cody, Simpson, and his album "Surfer's Paradise." If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button for more tutorials like this one. Without any further delays, let's get started. First chord we're gonna look at today is an F major. Just gonna put the chord boxes somewhere over here or there, or figure it out. So first chord is F. The next chord is a C. Another chord is an A minor. Another chord is a G. The last chord for this tutorial is the D major. Okay, so it opens up with the first verse. The first verse you're gonna do A minor to G to C. Okay, and then afterwards you go to F, C to G. Let me teach you the picking pattern. So you're gonna hold your A minor using your right hand. You need to go on the first 3 strings on that chord. So it's then go to G, then C. Then when you're holding your C, you remember to put the pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string for because the song was originally made with the ukulele and I'm just transposing it to the guitar. So it's gonna be then you go to F, G, C. Oh, sorry, F, C to G. Okay, so that's the verses. Let me do it for you in real time. And then for the second time, you're not going back to F. So it's gonna be A, G to C, then F, C to G for once. And then it's gonna be A minor, G to C. And then when you come back, you go for a D chord. Then the C. And then you go back to the A minor. Okay, so let me show you in real time. So and then now A minor. Now each chord you're gonna need to put pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. So okay, so that's the verse. Every day at night, when the sun turns red in the sky, I think of you on the shoreline, brushing the hair from your eye. I'm counting the days till I see you, and somehow I know that you are too long. Now we'll get into the pre-chorus, or is it the chorus? I don't know. So now I think it's the pre-chorus, wherever you add that part. I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, it's the chorus. So the chorus, you're gonna need 4 chords. You're gonna start with an F to a C to A minor to G. That's the chorus has 2 sections. So this is the first section of the chorus. Okay, F, C, A minor, G. So the second part of the chorus, when we're saying, Cause I'm in love with you, it changes. So it changes to A minor, F, C, G. So let me do the whole chorus for you so you can see what I mean. Second verse. Okay, so the verse is the same. The second verse is the same as the first one. The chorus is the same. So I guess the last part is the bridge. The bridge, it takes the first section of the chorus. So you take your F, C, A minor, G. You do it for the bridge, and then for the last G on the bridge, you just strum once, so you have enough time to build up to the final chorus. Okay, and then the final chorus, first it's gonna be down strums. So after you do the bridge, summertime of our lives, that part, when you come back, so you'll be like, wherever you are, no matter how far, I promise that I won't give up on you. And now you can continue the strumming pattern. They say out of sight, in out of mind. Okay, so the first section this time is twice as long, and the last section of the chorus is also twice as long. So you're gonna say wherever you are twice, that's what I mean. So it's F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, and then, yeah, I guess that's it. Remember to comment any suggestions. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. More great tutorials like this. Cool. Peace.